Ryan here. Today I want to talk about using the Parse JSON processor. So this configuration, we actually have a BindPlane agent acting as a gateway. It's collecting from a Fluent Bit agent. It's sending logs to the BindPlane agent and then off to Datadog. This is an architecture we have talked about before. If you're not familiar, I'll link to some videos so you can dive deeper into those. But let me show you how to use this processor. So I'm going to go to Edit New Version here. We'll click on Processor Node. Let's look at our snapshot. And you'll notice the body is in JSON. And so we want to parse that. Click Add Processor. Go down to our parsing section, and we'll choose Parse JSON. We'll enable this for our logs pipeline. The condition here, if you're familiar, this lets you specify the logs you want this processor to apply to. Defaults to true, that means it's going to apply to everything in your logs pipeline. The source field type is body, and we'll leave the field null because we actually want to parse the entire body, and we'll change the target field type to body as well. That's it. Very simple. Click Done. And let's take a look. On the left, we've got our JSON, and on the right, we've got a nicely parsed body now. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.